Good morning. It's early Sunday morning. We out here drinking coffee. We completed our structure yesterday. Tin on the top, everything. The tin was two different lengths. I could have very easily cut it off, but the more roof line I got, the more shade, the more it gets hot here in the summer. These roosters like him here tied up, he needs all the shade he can get. But anyway, we wanted to go over a completed product. I've still got to come in here and fasten those poles down, each one of them, and I think my answer is I'm gonna get some 6-inch screws and I'm gonna go in from the bottom and screw up into that. Those are fastened down. I run a nail from the top down into that, into all three of these. We scabbed this with a 2x4 just to bring it on out because that pole had broke when we sawed it down. It was one of the dead ones. But these were all long. And if I had a plan for this, one of those poles I sawed off with a chainsaw was long enough. But anyway, we wanted you to get the idea of, other than the metal, we don't have not one dime in this side shed. We cut every bit of this. Now those 2x4s that I used for lathing were left over from the house build. We had a bunch of wood rough cut and it was piled up. Actually, my daughter had drug it down there to build a tree house and got through and left it, and it was just laying out there. So instead of leaving it there and letting it rot, I went and gathered it up, and this is where it went. Now I've still got to saw that off. A few odd ends. It got dark before we got through yesterday. But anyway, we just wanted you to get to see how it looked. Turned out well. Cool weather coming in this morning. It was cool yesterday, but we got rain moving in. We got chicken, cords. See if we've got eggs this morning. I see eggs back there, 2 there. We have an incubator that we run. There she is. I was wondering what happened to her. But we're going to build a brooder and put it in here, a big box. And when our babies hatch out of the incubator, we'll bring them down here and put them in this box. And they'll stay in it for several weeks to all right. God bless y'all.